Hey everyone, my name's Necrotic and this is Loki. I didn't mean to disturb you, Loki. You just falling asleep there? Yeah. Oh, you're so handsome. You're such a handsome boy, and you're so good. And that noise that he's opening his eyes for is the washing machine in the apartment upstairs from ours. Apparently when it was put in, it wasn't balanced properly or something, so it does need to be fixed, but the letting agency are just taking forever to sort it out. So every time Loki's falling asleep and they put a laundry load on upstairs, he ends up waking up when it does a spin cycle, which is not great, is it, Loki? Can I zoom in on your face? Yeah. I zoom in on your face. Okay, that's going to be it for this video, everyone. So thank you very much for watching, and Loki will see you again next time. Oh, the washing machine from upstairs annoyed you that much? Poor Loki. It'll stop soon. Alright everyone, see you next time.